Hey everybody, my name is Tim Coates with Adonis Detail. Just want to take a quick second today to highlight this project we just finished up on this beautiful 2019 Tesla Model 3 Performance. Now this project is something that took us well over a week to complete because we did pretty much every service that we offer, including a full body satin paint protection film wrap. We powder coated the wheels. We did a vinyl blackout of the actual chrome to give kind of a sleek look, as well as black out the badges. And we'll be doing window tint here in the near future as well too. So I wanted to kind of go over exactly what we did. So why don't you come take a look at the work that we did on this with the satin paint protection film. So this has on every painted surface from bumper to bumper. The cool thing about this product is that not only does it add protection to the finish, but it actually makes your finish kind of a satin silky type look to it. So if you're looking to kind of change the look of the car but also protect it, the satin paint protection film is a great option. So what we do here is completely custom. So you may hear some different shops out there saying pre-cut or modified templates, whereas with our Stealth and Satin films, we actually do a completely custom install, which means that everything's cut by hand and installed by hand. So our bumpers, for example, on the Tesla Model 3s are completely one piece. There's no seams that could collect dust and dirt over time, and they really look completely seamless. So the result is basically that this can't be decided whether it's a film or it's a paint job, which is the end goal. We actually did add some tinted headlight protection film on here as well to give it kind of a sleek look. But all the edges are all wrapped around, so there's no exposed paint or exposed glossy sections. We then painted the badges on top of the film, which makes it look completely seamless, gives it kind of a sleek look as well. Like I said, the wheels are powder coated in satin black. We did those, and I then actually added a ceramic coating on top of the wheels, which helps in maintenance, helps keep the wheels cleaner, and actually makes the satin black pop a little bit more. All the chrome, including the side markers, are all wrapped in 3M 1080p satin black. So kind of gives it a sleek look versus the chrome that's normally there. All the mirrors are wrapped around. It's even wrapped inside the mirror stock here, so there's no chrome showing, which is kind of a cool feature. You don't want to, have kind of half of chrome and half blacked out. It's good to have it all consistent. The mirrors here are also completely wrapped in one piece. So some shops will leave a seam here in the middle, which will actually collect dust over time. This is completely done in one single piece. All of the chrome around the windows is also blacked out, and we did actually ceramic coat on top of the vinyl wrap as well too, to kind of make it a little bit more sheen to it and also add protection to the vinyl. Door handles are also wrapped in the satin black, and of course all the edges of the paint protection film are all wrapped around and completely seamless. So you're not going to find one edge on this car that's going to collect dust and dirt over time. Gives it really a nice finish. Let's come around to the back bumper here, back trunk. So since this is a Performance Model 3, it has a carbon fiber rear spoiler. In order to do this trunk completely seamless in one piece, we actually remove this. We do the trunk in one piece so there's no seams, and then reinstall this back on top. No lifting edges, no issues with fitment. We take templates and guides to make sure it's as good as possible when it's complete. Then back here also, the rear badge is also painted and completely seamless, so we install the film and then put the badge back on top. So there's no cutouts and no issues with that long term. And then rear bumper is also done in one piece. There's no seams in the bottom. Everything's all completely wrapped underneath and wrapped around, so it's not going to collect dust and dirt over time. And then also the side markers as well too, or the PDC sensors we cut around, so there's no issues with those, long term. So overall, really happy with how this thing turned out. I think our customers would be extremely stoked with it. I love it. My own personal Model 3, it did a very similar kind of finish to it. Almost exactly the same, except mine started originally silver versus the white. So it's a satin silver versus a satin white finish, which looks awesome. So anyways, want to take a quick second and walk you through what we did on this car today. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out, email us, call us. And make sure you subscribe for more videos like this, going over exactly what we did on some of our customers' cars. So thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you soon.